Welcome to BarCloud, the industry-leading barcode inventory system for all types of organizations. Our system provides you with powerful tools for all of your inventory tracking needs. When it comes to manufacturing, you need visibility on all moving parts in your operation, no matter the product. It's important to have visibility to avoid falling behind schedule and ensure that your supply always meets demand. Meet Dara Holsters and Gear, Inc., a company that specializes in crafting custom firearm holsters. They take pride in offering the highest quality holsters made from top-tier materials and craft their products in-house in North Carolina. As their business grew, so did the challenges they faced in managing their inventory efficiently. They struggled with consistency, visibility on their inventory, increased costs from lost items, and the constant battle of overordering and understocking supplies. The lack of visibility into stock levels and consumption rates made it challenging to determine when to reorder essential supplies. Lost items and inefficiencies increased cost as they would have to spend more to replace the lost inventory. Their search for an effective inventory management solution led them online, where they discovered BarCloud's feature-rich inventory system. Our system offered configurability that matched their unique needs, granting them maximum visibility and precise tracking capabilities. If you like this video so far, we would appreciate it if you would give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Implementing our inventory software was straightforward, as the system's short learning curve ensured that valuable time wasn't spent on training. Our system also allowed them to generate and print barcodes easily, making it easy to process new inventory items. Our intuitive dashboard offers a bird's-eye view of their vital supplies through the min-max status scale. The Reports feature delivered unparalleled visibility into the inventory levels, enabling precise analytics of consumption patterns and optimal reorder points to replenish supplies. The holster manufacturer witnessed improvements in manufacturing operations, streamlined inventory management for their specialized items, and substantial cost reductions. Their once elusive consistency became a reality, and our Reports feature ensured supplies were replenished promptly. BarCloud's inventory system not only transformed their inventory management, but also supercharged their path to success. Just as Dara Holster and Supply found success using our inventory tracking software, we have complete confidence that we can do the same for your business. To learn more about how you can improve your organization's efficiency with our inventory management software, visit our website with the links below and schedule a demo today at barcloud.com.